Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change handle on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the Mastodon application. Now you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have the home screen where you can check out the posts from people that you follow. The search bar, we have here where you can go and post your posts. We have notifications, and in the bottom right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change handle on Mastodon. So first of all, open the Mastodon app and log into your account as I told you in the start of the video. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So here, and then go and click on edit profile. Tap on your current nickname and enter the new handle you want to use. So basically click here and of course type what you want. Then tap the save button and your new handle will be updated and the others will be able to find you with the new username. So it is basically that simple, and you can also here go and change all of the things that you want to go and edit before of course saving it on the application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until the next time, bye guys.